Hey, welcome to the itsimple.ai. My name is Sergey, and this time I want to give you an introduction on what itsimple can do. Itsimple is an everyday tool which allows you to capture, organize, and share your thoughts, things of interest, and pretty much anything you like. It has free version, no ads, and it is built with the security as a top priority in mind. Just visit www.itsimple.ai and click sign up. After completing the sign up, you will be treated to the helpful tips. And straight out of the bat, it suggests you to install the Chrome extension, which I highly recommend to do. So let's just go ahead and click on the Chrome extension. It will redirect to the Chrome extension page where you can click install. As you can see, I already have it installed, so it actually says remove from Chrome, but for you, it's going to be install the extension. So once the extension is installed, it's going to appear in here. Let's go through just some of the use cases for itsimple. We're going to make our link in bio page, which is a bunch of different socials combined into the single collection, which then you can create a public link for and share in any of your socials, such as Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. I have already opened a few tabs in here. So first is the LinkedIn. So we go and click onto the extension. And as you can see, it shows saved. LinkedIn profile has been saved. Now we go ahead and do the same with the YouTube channel. So we click on save. Then we have Medium in here. So let's save that too. Then Instagram profile, easy, saved. And of course, TikTok. So let's click and save. By the way, I went through all those steps one by one. You can actually do them in one go by just clicking Save All Tabs. If you have any questions about how Save All Tabs work, here's the video. I link it in the top right corner, so you can always get back to it. Now let's get back to itsimple. As you can see, all of the socials are now has been saved, and you might have noticed that I haven't done a good job at creating unique avatars for all of my socials. They all look simple, but you got the idea, right? Now we've got these socials saved in the itsimple, but it's not done yet. Next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna add them into a collection. So let's go ahead and create collections. So maybe let's call it Sergey's contacts. There we go. Now we have this collection here. And the first card that has been added to this collection is the TikTok. So if we click on it, you see that we now have a TikTok in this collection. Now let's go ahead and add other cards into the same collection. So now all of them are in the same collection, as you can see. So if we click on it, it doesn't change the view because they all are in the same collection. So what else can we do with this given collection? Now we can probably add a note inside this collection. It could be some introduction or something like that. So we can write intro. Let's make it as a title. Hey, my name is Sergey. So we've created the note. It's at the top of the collection. Let's make sure that it's gonna stay there even though when we're gonna keep adding cards to this collection, and it's quite easy to do. We're just gonna use pin. So we pin this particular card, this note at the top of the collection. So it's gonna remain at the top. If you have any questions about how pinning works, here's the video for you that explains how it works. Now is the final step is to actually share this collection with the world. It's simple. We just go and click on the collection and click create a link. So if you're doing it first time, it will treat you with this disclaimer where itsimple basically requires you to provide a username. Username is going to be unique and it's used to display your name to others. So let's just go ahead and write this name for now and click share. So as you can see, collection share link created and link has been copied. Now we can just go and open the public view for the contacts. As you can see, that's pretty much it. So now you can share this link with anyone, paste it into your socials, and so on and so forth. And people can use search, categories, and all the goodness of Itsimple if they have access or link to this particular collection. That's pretty cool, right? But we're not done yet. Say if you're planning a trip with your friends and you would like to first come up with some ideas which places you would like to visit in your destination. So let's ask AI assistant for help. I'm traveling to the New Zealand, create a collection of cards with the best places to visit in New Zealand. So that's the prompt. We click ask, and now we just wait for the AI to complete the job. All right, so the AI assistant has done its job. So now we've got a collection called Best Places to Visit in New Zealand, and it found the card with 24 exciting New Zealand tourist attractions, which is awesome. So now we click OK. We're satisfied with the result, and now we have a foundation to build upon. We can continue with creating a note for our friends. So for example, trip to New Zealand and etc. Let's make sure that it's gonna stay at the top as well. So we've pinned our card. That's the good beginning, right? So now we can keep adding other places to this collection by just, Googling that. For example, if we go to the Google Maps and go ahead and scroll down to New Zealand, for example, you would like to visit Milford Sound. There you have it. You can actually save the card as a Google pin. So let's add a pin in here, boat trip, and let's just save it, add it to collection, which is our previously created collection, best places to visit in New Zealand. There we have it. Now we can close it. And just once we're back to Itsimple and select our collection, now we have a map for Milford Sound in here. I think you've got an idea how you can actually create the whole travel itinerary in the Itsimple. And the same way as previously with the socials, you can now share this collection with your friends. So you create a link, it's copied. If you forgot that it has been copied, you can click on the collection again and just click copy link. Or you can open public view and see your collection there. People can, start filtering things there, search things, and so on and so forth. But it doesn't have to stop in here. After the trip, you can actually continue using the same collection for example, uploading your photos to the collection after the trip. Let's say I've already visited New Zealand and now I would like to upload photos into the same collection so that my friends can see them. We have this upload feature here. Now keep in mind, this is only available to the users of the Pro and Unlimited plan. If you would like to still add photos in the free plan, that's possible to do, but you can only do it by saving photos from the website via the extension. All right, let's go ahead and upload some images to it. So we can choose a file. All right, so we uploaded the mountain picture in here. Maybe we would like to upload a few more. All right, here comes another one. All right, and now we've got our photos in the same collection as well. Next use case is about sharing your portfolio with others. Similar to the previous ones, we can start by saving your YouTube videos, for example. Okay, let's go ahead and open that video and click on the Itsimple browser extension, and then we can add it to a new collection, portfolio. And coming back to the Itsimple, now we have the Sergey's portfolio collection, so we can click on it, and here we go, we've got our video in here. On top of that, we can start uploading photos in a similar way as we did in the previous example. Or alternatively, we can even reuse the photos that we just saved for trip to New Zealand collection and add them as well to the portfolio. Itsimple allows to add cards to multiple collections at the same time. Click on the photo you'd like to add and then click on the Sergey's portfolio. Then same this one and same this one. And now when we go back to the portfolio, now we have YouTube video and the photos nicely displayed in the same collection. On top of that, of course, we can add a note describing what this is all about. Apart from notes, you can actually add descriptions to the collections as well. We can click on edit and write the whole description here. Photos, something like this. And after saving that, now it will be displayed along the collection's name. And once you're gonna share this portfolio collection in here and create a link and then open in the public view, the very same description are gonna be displayed in the public view as well. And finally, bonus example on how you can use Itsimple. You can use it actually as a to-do app. And to demonstrate how it's gonna work out, let me show you what I mean. For example, I've got this Andrew Huberman video, which I wanted to watch for a while. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go ahead and click on it and then click on the Itsimple and add it to the collection. Now pay attention how I'm gonna call this collection. I'm gonna call it to do. And now when I'm back to the Itsimple, I have obviously the video saved and I have the to-do collection now. I think you already got an idea. Everything which will end up in this collection will be sort of my action or a thing I need to do. On top of that, of course, you can as well start adding your notes to it. Create a video and in here I will write my script. And once I'm done with either all of the cards in this collection, I can after that either delete the card or maybe remove it from the to-do collection. And this is all I wanted to share with you today. Please let me know if you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications about the upcoming videos and see you on the next one.